In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock modules in your Skool community. We'll walk through the process from logging in all the way to setting up different access rules for your course modules, so your content is organized and only available to the right members at the right time. Start by opening your browser and going to the Skool website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Login button, usually at the top right. Click Login, then choose the account you use to manage your community. Make sure you're using the account with admin or creator permissions, since you'll need those to control access settings. After you're logged in, you'll see a list of communities you're part of. Click on the community where you want to lock or control access to modules. This will take you to that community's main area. Next, look for the Classroom tab in the navigation bar and click on it. The Classroom is where all your courses and modules live. To set up locked modules, you'll first create or configure a course. Click on New Course to begin. A window will appear asking for the name of your course. Type in a clear, descriptive course title so members know what it's about. Then, add your course description. Use this space to explain what members will learn, who it's for, and any requirements. A good description sets clear expectations and can reduce confusion later. Now you'll configure how people can access this course. By default, it might say that all members can access. Click on the access setting to open the different locking options. Here, choose Level Unlock if you want the course to unlock when members reach a certain level inside your community. Then click on the option to pick the access level and select the level number you want. For example, Level 1. This is great if you're using gamification or engagement levels to reward active members. If you're offering a paid course, you can click on the Buy Now option. This will ensure only members who purchase the course can get in. Follow your normal payment setup inside Skool to connect this with your offers. You'll also see Time Unlock as another option. Click on Time Unlock if you want the course to become available after a certain amount of time, such as a few days or weeks after someone joins. This is useful for drip content or onboarding sequences. If you need a course that's completely hidden or invite only, click on Private. This keeps the course locked from regular members, and you can manually grant access when needed. Once you've chosen the access rule that fits your strategy, click on Add to create the course with those settings applied. After the course is created, you'll see it listed in your classroom. If you want to adjust the page, look for the Edit option next to that course and click it. Here you can refine the title, description, thumbnail, or any other details. When you're done making changes, click Save to apply your updates. And that's it. You've successfully created a course and configured locked access in your Skool community, using level-based, time-based, paid, or private options to control exactly who can see your modules and when.